Good morning. I'm going to show you how we made our maple syrup evaporator. We bought a steel barrel, bought one of the barrel stove kits, which comes with the legs, the door, and the pipe attachment in the back, you know, with your little flue controller. And then we put on the pipe. Okay. All right. The outside here is made with furnace duct. Okay, screwed on. This would have been from like a 12-inch round. Okay. Pipe fitting. And you can see it stays on all winter. I cover it with a board. We use stainless steel baking dishes for the boiling itself. And then we have these are the top of the barrel. And we cut it open so it gets more heat. We learned that if you kept it solid, the first year we just had it like, this was a little different design, and it didn't get as hot as we would have liked it. It took like twice as long. And the reason we keep these flaps in and didn't cut them off is so that the pans don't get scorched so bad. They clean fairly easy with a pressure washer, but they do get kind of scorched. But these flaps just kind of control the heat. The back obviously gets way hotter. In the bottom, like quarter of the barrel is filled with just play sand, and that's so you don't burn out the bottom of your barrel. You can see there's ashes and leaves, and it's kind of wet, so I have some kindling and a fire starter that we made in Boy Scouts, and that's what I will use to start the fire today. But inside, as you can see, I don't know if you can see so well. Let's see if I can. Inside, as you can see, it's just some sand. I moved this off the driveway with Raymond because I got tired of shoveling around it. So I believe I have it pretty level. Sitting on bricks. I have a piece of tin underneath it just to keep the ashes from dropping onto the ground. And that's it.